A big hello from Slovenia and welcome at Argos YouTube channel. My name is Nina and I'm one of the members of the Association of Regional Tourist Guides of Slovenia. Like we promised, we are bringing our home country Slovenia into your homes, and today is a particularly special day because we are celebrating a national holiday. It all started during the Second World War. On the 6th of April 1941, Slovenian territory was occupied by Nazi Germany. In response to foreign occupation, Slovenia formed the Liberation Front of the Slovene Nation, or Osvobodilna fronta, OF, by the end of April that same year. The Liberation Front soon became the main resistance organization fighting against the fascist regimes, with its military wing, the Slovene Partisans, first fighting as a guerrilla force before developing into a better organized armed force. The 27th of April commemorates this establishment and is therefore called the Day of Uprising Against Occupation, also known as Resistance Day. A lot has been written about partisans, good and bad, but my intention is not to judge their actions. I would just like to share a story about one of the largest and greatest escapes during the Second World War. In 1944, over 100 British, Australian, New Zealand and French prisoners of war, led by Ralph Churches, also known as the Crow, managed to break out of the POW work camp in Maribor, walking their way to safety under the guidance and protection of the Slovene Partisans, all the way from the southern Austrian border across the German-occupied Slovenia. This 250-kilometer walk to freedom was completed in only 14 days. And remember that both the partisans and the escapees were all poorly clothed and starving men, ill-equipped for such a demanding hike. In history, this escape is known as the Crow's Flight. Thanks Emil for your attention. Can't wait to be with you again next Monday. In the meantime, have a great week and stay healthy.